Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In this video, I'll be showing you the process of making cupcake box. Very easy if you really want to learn this. If this today is your first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. To my old subscribers, you are welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video and also feel free to click on the super thanks, at least to appreciate me for this. Okay, in today's video I'll be showing you, guiding you through the process for this cupcake box. It is very long video. It is a very long video, so I splitted it into three. This is the first part. Please, after watching part one, make sure you go for the part two and the part three. So first we'll be working on the inner on this video. After the inner, we'll work on the boss, and the last video we'll be working on the cover. So feel free and make sure you watch the video to the end. Like I said before, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And again, feel free to click on the super thanks. This particular video, I paid to just film it just for you, so you can appreciate me with the super thanks. Thanks so much as you watch the video.
Okay. You have your tape, you have your cutter, your pencil, the board, and the FBB paper. Now the sample of this one is my sample. So anytime maybe you want to get a new one, so you bring out your fresh FBB paper and place on top of it and take the measurement. So what I will do, I will use this clip. Hmm? I will use this clip just to pin it so that, or if you don't do that, you take the measurement of this one. So this one is 11 inch. See the see the this one, 11 inch and almost quarter point 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6.6, 11.6. That is for the breadth. And for the length, the width of is 13.1, 2, 3, 4. 13.4. Get me. So let me start. 13.4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You mark, you come to this place. You mark also. Now the other one was 11.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You mark. Come to this place. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mark. Please, I've forgotten to this. Place it. You cut. Turn the other side. You cut also. So to know the size of this thing, if you touch this thing, the other side is smooth, so that you don't go and use the two side. There's different size. This side is rough, the other side that is smooth, and so you use this one that is rough to work on it. So you place your this one I've already carved before. So bring your clip. Why you so that you will not shift. You clip it. Okay, so to mark the inside.
Draw very well.
I'm not going to make it. It's not going to draw very. It depends show very well.
I
So
know
that
you're not used to it, but just do, don't worry, it's my room.
okay.
I'll take it.
So you draw. This one is by 6. I mean by 12. Sorry, not by 6. By 12. Cupcake.
It seems some cupcakes have round this thing,
No,
round design
one
inside.
round design. Why you make this one so that in case you want to remove, you would have. It's easy for you to make just round one. But why I put this on so that okay, you can move from this arm. So instead of your hand to touch the cake, so you can just put your hand there and remove.
Okay.
So you draw this just for you to get the holes of it. After you have done that, you remove it. So from there, use your cutter. You mark. Make sure you follow the line. And your this must be very sharp. Your knife to have a very smooth edge of it. But if you use a blunt knife, it will not fine.
Some is this craft knife.
Yes, yes.
Just mention the name.
The
The name of the knife.
that is called, they call it cutter. Just, so why I turn in case you don't force it,
Yes.
make sure you go again so that in case the one that did not cut, it will cut very well. So go again, just like that. Seems this knife, no, You post. Okay. So you turn when you're done like this, you're through with the carving. Turn the other side. See, this is where I mark. You don't mark here. Why you mark this place as because you bend it like this. In case you want to bend. Look at this one now. In case you want to bend. So that is why when you are done, the thing is like this. So when you are done, you turn. So now we turn like this and carve. So I can decide to do something like this. Like this. But I can if you don't want to use if you don't have the old one and you want to use maybe new one. So look at this one now. There is just 1 inch. Hmm? This side is less than 1 inch. That is from like this is 1 inch. 1 inch. You understand? That is from just mark 1 inch. You take from it, mark 1 inch. Yeah, this I think this one will be half inch. From this side, half inch. So what? So let me make it. But yeah, if I'm training anybody, I'm not sure I give this one so that you use it as a sample of it. Clip, clip there. So you want to mark this place out. You mark, let me let you mark here. You mark, you mark, mark, mark. So after marking, the you move. Move this. Bring your marker and this. You place where you mark that thing. You cut. 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 Place. Cut. And don't if you want to cut anything, make sure you cut very well. But if you drag, it will spoil the work. So now you are done with this. So what you do, you turn the smooth side now. Place your when I used to draw, it will give me the line of that thing. But formally, you can use a pen that is as finished. You can make use of that one. So you place here, place at this edge. You drag. See, they're giving you a line. Place here also. You see the line. So you know why you do it like this, so that when you want to place inside the box, you bend this place, you bend here, so the thing will not stand. That is why you make it like this. So this one, the work of this one has finished. So remain the main box now.